Hey everyone, in today's 2-minute tutorial, we're going to be learning about the count function in SQL. So, what is the count function? The count function allows you to count observations or rows in your data. Count is used within the select statement in your query, and you can use a where clause with the count function to limit your calculation. So here we have our data table with a bunch of countries and a list of information and attributes about those countries. Let's say we wanted to count the number of countries. So we do select, count, then we put the variable or column we want to count in brackets. So here, name. Then we do from our country table to pull this from our country table. This is saying select, count the number of countries from our country table. And you see we get 239 countries. We can also add a where clause. So let's say we wanted to count the number of countries in Western Europe. We would do count from country where region equals Western Europe. So let's see how many countries are in Western Europe. There we have it, 9. Let's look at something a bit trickier. Let's say we wanted to count the number of continents. Whereas before we simply did count name to get a count of all the countries, we can't do this for continents, and I'll show you why. So if we do select count continent, we get 239 continents, which we know is not correct. We know it's 7. And that's because it's counting each row individually, so it's counting duplicates. So instead, we want to use count distinct continent. Using distinct essentially counts all unique observations within that column. And here we have it. We have 7, which we know is correct as there are 7 continents. That's a quick overview of count and the difference between count and count distinct. Please let me know if you have any questions and I'll get right back to you.